Holy crap. 420 RCJ, and it's finally raining. We have been in such a drought in Alberta here with all the fires and Fort McMurray burning up. Oh wow. Rain, fucking rain. And man, the air quality and the smell today in the air, it's like you can smell like forest plus other, you know, like houses burnt smoke, you know, because there's a couple camps up by Fort McMurray just the other day that got burnt up. So I'm about 5-6 hours away from there, but still, oh, we need the rain. I am so glad. It's been so dry, just unreal. I hope it's raining down there because the wildfire is still going. It is still going, you know. Yeah. And just the other day, Fox Creek in Alberta here, I think had to be evacuated. I just heard little news about it. And oh man, poor Alberta's burning up. And that fire's still going. No one can't put it out. It'll have to get put out by rain or something, you know. I don't know. But I hope it keeps on raining, because Ranger Nut wants me to go out on May Long to go quadding. So, on Sunday, so that'd be cool. Fuck yeah, bud. Well, I just wanted to do a little... Yeah, it's... Fuck. Just can't believe it's raining. But wow. That looks like a normal yard again. Ha! Yeah. Oh yeah, I can just hear that. Rain, rain, rain. And it's supposed to be kind of shitty for the long weekend too, but holy fuck, buddy. Wow. Okay. Want to do a little weather update, I guess. And we'll see you guys friggin' later, right?